on you in your respective kingdoms to sit and reorganize your kingdom, not against the government. So I don't have that answer of Ankole kingdom, but the thing is in the process. It is in process. You just be patient, because that is one of the qualities of a good leader. You are supposed to be patient and wait. It will come. Even the time the NRM brought back these kingdoms, not all of them came into existence at the same time. It was a gradual process. And they would use that to destabilize the Africans. Don't think those leaders were doing by themselves. They were forced because they were weak. Most of them were weak leaders. That is why they could not understand the perspective of African history before colonialism. They did not understand the unity that existed between this kingdom. That's why a person like Obote had to abolish kingdoms, where there was his own making, or he was influenced to do that. That was a mistake. When the NRM took over, revived these kingdoms throughout that.
Ndio hiyo, kama mfika huko salamia mkubwa.